Hello everyone, I am back with another recipe and this time it's the detox tea. So as the winters are approaching, we need to keep our systems clean and keep away from the cough and cold. So welcome to Healthy Bites. So to make this detox tea, we will need all these ingredients. So quickly, these are cinnamon, ginger, black pepper and some fresh basil. So for ginger, we will need half an inch of ginger. We will just peel it and mince it very well. First cut it and then mince it. And you can also use the dry ginger powder as well. Next up is our black pepper. I have used 5 balls of these black pepper and just crush them very well into this powdered like thing. Next up is the basil. So this is the fresh basil, which is actually this basil is from my native place, and these are the Himalayan tulsi which I have dried and powdered. And this is cinnamon or dalchini powder. You can also use a small stick of the cinnamon or dalchini if you have it like that, and you can also powder it. I have used this device to powder my things and mince my ginger. So now in a pan I have taken 1 cup of water and I will add all my ingredients into this one by one. First of all, I have added in 1 tablespoon of my tulsi or basil into this. We will just allow it to heat. Then I have added in my black pepper powder and then my ginger, which I have minced properly. Now I will add in a pinch of cinnamon into this. With the help of the spoon, I will just mix this up and allow it to boil along with the water. With the lid and allow it to boil for 5 minutes on the medium-high flame. After 5 minutes, I will just check the tea. You will have to turn on the flame again and give it another boil.